Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Trupti. So this is my first ever tutorial on YouTube. Let's get started and wish me luck.
So I have semi-hooded eyes. Today let's see how to create a simple neutral glam look to make my eyes look more beautiful. I'm using Makeup Revolution's Soft Palette.
And I'm using this brown color called as chocolate orange to basically define my crease. Since I have semi-hooded eyes, it is essential for me to define a new crease so that the makeup is quite visible on my lid. So I'm using this color to define the outer V of my eye and also bringing it towards the inner corner of my eye and diffusing slightly on the outside. I'm blending here, and now I'm taking a fluffier blending brush to get my blending right. I'm diffusing the edges so that I get that seamless blend without any patches of color sitting on my eye and looking awkward. So I'm going on blending here so that the color diffuses seamlessly into my crease and the blending of the future color becomes easier. So blend and get your arm workout done. So I'm not satisfied with the blending I did earlier because I still can see some patches of unblended color. So I'm continuing with the blending and also pulling the color slightly outwards towards my outer end for that elongated eye look. I'm taking the color cheesecake with the same brush which I used earlier and applying it on the outer V of my eye. This is a color which is a tad bit darker than the previous color which I use. I'm using this color basically to give some depth and definition to my eye look which I'm doing today. As you can see, I'm slightly tapping this color only on the outer edge of my eye, and when there's no extra color left on my brush, I'm bringing it towards the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm taking this clean blending brush from Wet n Wild and I'm blending the previous colors which we applied earlier. So blending with a clean blending brush allows the color to blend seamlessly and to give that awesome effect of gradient if you are using multiple colors on your eyelid. So use feathery strokes whenever you're blending colors. Don't push it too hard into your eyelid. I'm next using this dark brown color called as Enchanted from the same palette, and I'm applying it on the outer V of my eyelid. Also I am bringing it on my crease just to deepen the crease. I'm again using this fluffy blending brush which I used earlier to blend the colors which I applied on my eyelid now. I'm using light feathery touches and not putting much pressure on my eyelid. Next I'm taking this forest green shimmery shade called as Aurora and applying it on the center of my eyelid just to give that pop of color. Next I'm taking a small blending brush and blending that shimmery color onto my crease so that everything seems put together. Next I'm taking this gorgeous color called as Dreams and I'm applying it on top of the previous shimmer shade which I used. Next I'm using LA Sun and layering it on top of the other colors. I absolutely love the colors because it gives me so many colors to play with and takes my eye look to a totally different level. Next I'm blending all the colors into my crease using the brush which I used here. It's time to do my lower lash line now and I'm using the color which I used earlier first called as chocolate orange, and I'm using it to define my lower lash line entirely. I'm also diffusing this color throughout my lower lash line. I'm next mixing Cheesecake and Enchanted and placing these color more nearer towards my lower lash line in a defined way. I'm not diffusing it, if you can see in the video. To add that pop of color to my inner corner, I'm using that golden color called as LA Sun, and I was so impressed by this color and the way it looked on my eye that I decided to put it on my eyelid as well. Like I said, layering colors. To make that color pop even further, I'm using this beautiful silver color called as Infinity on top of LA Sun, and I'm also using this color to highlight my brow bone. Can you guys see how it takes the eye look to a new level? I'm now copy pasting this look on my other eye. Using Faces Canada's magnetized eyeliner, I'm pulling out a small wing. I absolutely love this eyeliner. It's waterproof as well, and it sets, never budges. I'm so sorry for being so out of frame in this video, guys. I was not aware of it. Now prepping my eyelashes for applying falsies. First I'm curling my eyelashes with this eyelash curler, and next I'm going to apply a coat of mascara on my upper lashes. I'm using Maybelline's Colossal Volume Express mascara and a layer of it on my eyelashes. To tightline my lower lash line, I'm using Maybelline New York's Lasting Drama Gel Liner in black. I absolutely love this kajal because it doesn't smudge on my eyes and I love it very much. And it's jet black, which is a plus. Applying mascara to my lower lashes with the same mascara which I used earlier. So time for false lashes. I'm using PAC's 53 lashes. Since my base makeup is already done, skipping to lips, I'm using NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade 04. I decided to top it off a little bit with NYX's Liquid Suede lip in the shade 09 as well. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.